Every business begins with attention, before sales, before scale, before survival. Lead generation is the quiet engine powering every modern small business. Before algorithms, attention traveled by voice, paper, and trust. Lists once lived in ledgers, notebooks, and memory alone. Today, lists are built in seconds, yet trust still takes time. Lead generation is permission, not interruption. Small businesses survive by building audiences before building empires. Every email address represents a real human choice. Content becomes the bridge between curiosity and commitment. Value offered freely earns attention that money cannot buy. Funnels are not tricks, they are guided journeys. Automation scales care when built with intention. The strongest lists grow through consistency, not virality. Trust compounds quietly, like interest over time. A list is not numbers, it is responsibility. Build your list with care, and your business can endure. Like and subscribe for more.